Hey folks, Ray Bare Metal Forge. I know the last one I did on this was the upgrade. I showed you some of this stuff here. I just want to give a shout out to ANDELI welding helmets. My other one, the actual tinting glass broke. I mean, from corner to corner. I emailed them asking, you know, if they had like a replacement for it. Instead of them sending me a replacement, they sent me out a brand new helmet. I have to say with ANDELI, I mean, they aren't the most expensive one out there, but I tell you what, they can give them expensive ones a daggone good run for the money. This one's got the light option. Helps you see better, and it really does work. You also have another function here that you can wave your hand, cut the lights off and on, that way you don't have to keep reaching up and hitting it. The full range vision in it, absolutely great. I love it. Thank you again, ANDELI, for sending this. I told you I'd do a review of it, and like I said, when I sent you the email, the first one I bought from you, I absolutely love it. It's a great helmet. It's very comfortable. It's got all the features in it. You can set it for grinding, cutting, pretty much anything you want. I mean, these are really good helmets. Like I said, they're very comfortable. They're very economic. They're very affordable. And ANDELI was absolutely great when I emailed them about the lens and that one being cracked, and they sent me out a whole new helmet. I was just looking for a replacement lens in it because I couldn't find it on the website. But anyway, ANDELI, thank you so much for sending this out. Like I said, I don't have, if you'll contact ANDELI, go to their site, look up their welding helmets. They've got all kinds of different styles, but this is the one I really love the best. It comes with extra shields for the front, and it comes with extra shields for the inside for that one. It's auto darkening. I mean, it'll darken just like that. And like I said, with this headpiece and the ratchet, very, very comfortable. So I was using the ones from Harbor Freight. They're pretty good helmets, actually. For Harbor Freight helmets are pretty good. But I really wanted something that had more of a view to it, something I could look at. These are a lot clearer. These are the true vision. So they let you see your work a lot clearer. And like I said, it's got the 180-degree view, which is great. So the sides are already tinted a little bit, but you get a great view out of it. Like I said, it's auto darkening. You set it for anything, grinding, welding, cutting with a torch, anything like that. I can't say enough about these things. I love them. So if y'all want you a really good helmet for a decent price, go out and get you one of these. I don't have an affiliate with them right now. I'm working on that. I'm going to try to see if they can work with me on this. Maybe I can get a link where I can send out to people if they ask for it, or I can put the link in my videos. But right now I don't have a link, and I'm not officially affiliated with them. But I really just wanted to give a shout out to it, and it's really great. And I almost forgot, on this side, you've got all kinds of adjustments over here. You've got you can set your delay. You can actually check the battery on this one, which the other one you couldn't check the battery. This one's got a mode. You can click it and turn it to whatever mode you want. And then of course it's got the sense button. But like I said, they're a great helmet. They're very comfortable. They're light. And again, I can't say it enough. Comfortable. Very, very comfortable. But with that being said, I'm going to get back to it. The plate off the other headpiece, I'm just going to tack weld it to this, and then we're going to take it off and weld it solid. I didn't feel like bolting it to this one. So like I said, the last one, we've got our angle iron pieces cut to ride the channel to keep this thing straight, keep it from flexing back and forth and going in and out. So that right there will help it. The only thing I got to do is come in here once I take everything off to weld this solid. is I'm going to have to come in and grind these corners in here, round them out. Because if you notice, when you look at the inside of these pieces, the angle iron, it's rounded. So if you clamp them, it's going to create a problem. It's going to pinch it. It's not going to let it ride that track. So that's one thing we got to do when we get this done. I got my clamp on, and like I said, all we're going to do is tack weld this thing, and we'll get that done. And then I've got to weld a tab over here on this side, on the right side, for this. So this is going to get mounted on the back side of the tab. It's going to stick out where I can operate it. But you got to leave enough room between your upright and your valve, so you can get your elbow in here for your in and your out on your hydraulic line. But mine, I'm going to try to get an elbow on here so I can get it a little bit closer. That way I'm not having to mount this in a weird spot or anywhere like that. So, but that's what we're going to do. We're going to get this tacked up, then get it taken off, get it welded up, and then I'll get those grinded down a little bit, and we'll go from there. And like I said, this is going to be kind of a short one, but it's going to be like a short series of upgrades I'm doing to this thing. So anyway, just tack weld. This is another good thing about them feet. I can spin it right around. Alright, got a tack welder. I need to pull that front down a little bit more. There we go. Alright, now what we're going to do is just take this out, weld it up tight, and that's going to be it for this video. I'll get you out on the next part, and I hope you like the video. I know it's a little short, and I know it's not forging, but still, this will help out in the shop, especially with a 22-ton ram on it. But anyway, I'm not going to show you a bunch of welding. Just wanted to show you an update and show you what I'm doing. And hope you like the video. If you do, hit the like button. Definitely hit the subscribe button. Be careful out there. We'll see you on the next one.